Welcome to the story of the Meshines Group of Companies, driving innovation and powering progress since 2006. It all began with Deepak IND Hydraulics, specializing in manufacturing hydraulic cylinders, power packs, and service units. Our solutions have supported industries like construction, manufacturing, agriculture, and industrial automation for nearly 2 decades. Through relentless dedication to quality and innovation, we've built a reputation for exceeding customer expectations, delivering solutions tailored to diverse applications. Our journey has been marked by significant milestones. In 2016, we opened our first dedicated shop in Ganapathy, offering a complete range of hydraulic spares and accessories. By 2020, we launched a second shop in Kattur, expanding our reach. And in 2022, our third store in Chinnayampalayam introduced pneumatic spares, cementing our reputation as a one-stop hydraulic and pneumatic solution provider. Each step has been a testament to customer trust and our commitment to making high-quality solutions accessible to all. 2024 was a transformative year for Meshines. We launched Hydromeshines India Private Limited, a 10,000 square foot manufacturing unit producing hydraulic lifts, scissor lifts, home elevators, presses, and material handling systems. This expansion has enabled us to meet modern industrial demands and enhance operational efficiency. In the same year, we entered the international market with Meshines Machinery Parts, IND LLC in the UAE. By bringing our expertise to the global stage, we've solidified our position as a trusted name in hydraulic solutions worldwide. Our success is driven by a team of over 100 dedicated professionals. Design engineers with 15 years of experience bring precision and innovation. Skilled fitters and welders with over 25 years of expertise ensure durability and high performance in every product. Together, we serve industries across the Indian subcontinent, the GCC, and Africa, delivering solutions that tackle complex challenges and drive industrial growth. At Meshines, our mission is to empower industries by combining advanced technology with sustainable practices. Every product is designed not only for value, but also to reduce its environmental footprint. We prioritize our customers, providing tailored solutions and seamless experiences from consultation to after-sales support. This dedication has earned the trust of clients across the globe. From humble beginnings in 2006 to becoming a global leader in hydraulic solutions, Meshines Group of Companies continues to innovate and shape the future of industries. Together, let's power progress and create a brighter tomorrow. Meshines Group of Companies, innovating today, empowering tomorrow.